this as a form, or I develop this as the form. I'm repeating the element, taking it above, and I drop the height. Both of you can differentiate what is the form all about? Yes, please. For the doubt of, the principle of design says direction, whereas the element of design also says direction. Can we differentiate the form generated with the same as vertical movement or oblique movement? Look at this. The first category is what? It is a pyramidal form, whereas the second is a prismatic form. True or false? Is the statement true here or false? The first development site is a pyramidal form development. The second is prismatic, wherein most of us are habituated that if we are talking of a prism, we are actually talking of the triangular prism. The logic is the same. The base develops to recreate the same shape, that's a prism. That means the square recreated a square, that's a prism. The square went to a apex, that's a pyramid. That is where we explain the direction. Since we are talking of horizontal, vertical, or oblique orientation of the given shape, we actually have the third most important element of design, and that is called a form. Which is why for years in architecture basics you would have learnt that the third important element of design is form, right? But this is ascertained with direction only. Like what? What we are trying to here relate, the question category goes a bit tricky to answer. Space is a derivative of size, right? Form is a derivative of direction. Are we clear with the difference? We are actually trying to understand, while the elements of designs are being taught, these are actually the input devices of the compositions, right? Whereas, what did we understand for the principles? They are the tools which are used to format the elements of design. That means application above the elements of design is recreating a perfect composition, which we are going to talk here. This is what is going to deal your entire visual 2D, 3D composition facts